Hello, Emily. How have you been? It's been quite some time since we last had a chance to catch up.
By saying, catch up, John is expressing that it has been a while since he last spoke with Emily and updated each other on their lives, work, or other relevant matters.
Hi, John. I'm doing well, thank you. I've been busy implementing some new workflow optimizations.
Workflow optimizations refers to improvements made to a company's processes or procedures to increase efficiency, reduce time spent on tasks, and ultimately enhance productivity.
How are things on your end? How's the sales department holding up?
When Emily says, on your end, she is inquiring about John's situation, particularly related to their work. By asking how the department is holding up, she also wants to know how well the department is performing.
Things are going great. Thank you for asking. We're working on some innovative strategies to boost our market share.
The phrase, boost our market share, refers to increasing the percentage of a particular market, sales, revenue, or customers, that a company holds compared to its competitors.
By the way, I was wondering if you could help me navigate the system. I'm trying to generate a report of all invoices for customer at land.
By saying, navigate the system, John is asking for help in finding his way around the system to accomplish a task, such as generating a report.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. First, you'll want to log into the ERP system, and then head over to the Accounts Receivable module.
ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning System, is a business management software that integrates various functions of a company, such as finance, accounting, sales, inventory, and human resources, into a unified system. Head over means to go, move, or direct one's attention towards a particular location. In this conversation, Emily is navigating John to a specific module within the system.
Receivable module, got it. What's next?
I'm sorry, John. Your voice is breaking up a bit. Can you hear me clearly?
When John's voice is breaking up a bit, it means that Emily is having trouble hearing him clearly, as the audio transmission is being disrupted or interrupted.
I can hear you now. My internet connection seems to be acting up today. So, what's the next step?
By saying, acting up, John is indicating that the internet connection is causing problems or not performing as expected.
No worries. Once you're in the Accounts Receivable module, you should see an option for Customer Reports on the left-hand menu. Click on that.
A left-hand menu is simply a menu that is situated on the left side of the screen. In our context, Emily is instructing John to look for the Customer Reports option within the left-hand menu of the Accounts Receivable module.
Customer reports. All right.
Now, you should see a drop-down menu labeled Report Type. Select Invoice Report from the list.
A drop-down menu is a compact list of options that expands when the user clicks or interacts with it.
Invoice report. I'm sorry, Emily, my connection is really bad. Could you repeat the last part?
Instead of, my connection is really bad, you can say, my connection is quite unstable. Or, I'm having connectivity problems.
Of course, John. After selecting Invoice Report, you'll need to input the customer's name, in this case, at land. Then, click on Generate Report, and you should see all the invoices for the customer.
The word input is used as a verb that means to enter, provide, or insert information or data into a system, form, or software application.
All right, got it. Thanks a lot, Emily. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome, John. Let me know if you need any further assistance. And I hope your internet connection improves soon.
Some alternatives of "you're welcome" are "glad to help," "anytime," or "happy to assist."
Thanks, Emily. Have a productive day.
You too, John. Take care.